What's happening, guys? It's Teddy. Today we're going to be showing you our Mach 1 Phase 1 power and handling package. Our Stage 1 package consists of the Ford handling package, which is the wheel arch liners, the wheels, the front splitter and the big rear wing. It also includes our custom handling pack, consisting of the IRS alignment sleeves, the IRS braces, the billet vertical links and the adjustable toe links with a front 2-point G-track brace. And last but not least, we are equipping this vehicle with our custom Stage 1 tune, which we're going to show you along the way. Make no mistake, the Mach 1's chassis is already brilliant from factory, but that's no reason to say that it's finished. Now, the Steeder dual rate ultimate handling springs are our new favourite spring. They are brilliant. They are really the best performance spring money can buy. Now, these springs are only a 3/4 inch drop, so they set the stance up perfect for the handling package wheels. Now the springs are in, we can pop the alignment sleeves in. You don't need the IRS support bushings because the bushings in this subframe are already uprated. These just help hold it in place and align the subframe a little bit more. While we're on the topic of holding that rear subframe in place, the Steeder IRS support braces are one of the most important parts in keeping that subframe locked to the body of the vehicle. One of the final upgrades at the rear of the car is the Steeder billet vertical links. These reduce wheel up massively by allowing no flex through the link or the bush. So now all the suspension has been installed, it's time to finish it off and put these awesome Ford Performance Bird's Nest wheels on. These wheels look the absolute business on these cars with the offset they achieve with the arch liners as well. Also wrapped in some mega wide Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tyres. There's going to be no shortage of grip with these. Ford Performance plastic arch liners, which just cover the edge of where the wheel is going to sit to prevent stone chips and make sure there's no tread poking out of the arches. So, I just wanted to introduce you to somebody. This is Ryan, came 3 years ago, just over 3 years ago now. He had the blue GT, which were Roush supercharged. It was actually our first ever supercharged Mustang build, the original OG Mach customer here. This is Ryan's Mach 1, which we've just turned into a Mach Stage 1, which we've explained through the video. He helped me fit the spoiler, helped me fit the splitter and so on, so he's had a bit of a play with his car, which has been enjoyed it, yeah?
Yeah, enjoyed it.
Awesome. He didn't actually know his car were getting done today, but on the off chance he dropped his newly tinted red lights off, which look absolutely mega on the car. So yeah, thank you for your help, mate, and I can't wait for you to drive it.
Thank you once again for a good job.
Awesome. So we've just installed the handling pack splitter, and that is the last of the aesthetics of the car. It's now time to get it on the alignment ramp and set all the suspension up to our custom settings. So there you have it, guys. The Mach 1 map Phase 1 is now complete. The car looks awesome. It drives awesome. I hope Ryan enjoys this car because it looks awesome, it drives awesome, it sounds awesome. If you want any more information on this package, please get in touch because we can sort it out, no problem. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. On next week's episode, you can find this Mach 1 on the HP Tuner stand when we attend the 2021 Tracks event at Silverstone Racetrack. We look forward to seeing you then.